In this video, we will show you how to open an HMRC online account. If you guys want to get started with HMRC, use the links in the description. First, open your browser and type HMRC. Scroll down the search results and click on the link that says HMRC Online. Services sign in or set up an account. This will take you to the HMRC Online Services page. On this page, find and click on the option that says Set up an account. This will guide you through the process of creating your HMRC online account. You will now be prompted to enter your government gateway user ID. After entering said ID, you will need to enter your password. Make sure your password is correct and matches the one you set up when you created your government gateway account. Once you have entered your user ID and password, click on Sign In to access your HMRC online account. So that is how to open HMRC online account. Use the link in the description to get started with HMRC. If this video was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.